Okay, girls and boys, for this problem set, we want you to draw a picture to match the number sentence. And then write the number bond to match the number sentence and picture you drew. 6 plus 2 equals what? So draw a picture to show both parts, and then fill in your number bond and complete your number sentence. You're going to do the same thing for number 2, 5 plus 5. Draw a picture to show 5 plus 5, fill in your number bond, and complete your number sentence. Now you're going to do the same thing for number 3, and it says 5 plus what equals 7. So you're going to show a picture that matches this number sentence as you try to solve to find the missing part. And then fill in your number bond and do the same thing for number 4. 6 plus what equals 10. Draw a picture to find the missing part and complete your number bond.